Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to signal that your Word document is the final version. We'll be using the Mark as Final feature. This is super useful for sharing documents where you want to discourage further edits. So, here I have my Word document. Let's say I've finished working on it and I'm ready to share it. I want to indicate to anyone who opens it that this is the finalized version. First, we need to go to the File tab. It's in the top left corner of your Word window. Then click on Info. This will bring up some information about your document. Next, look for Protect Document. It's often represented by a little lock icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll see the option Mark as Final. Go ahead and click that. A little dialog box will pop up, explaining what Mark as Final does. It basically tells people that you're discouraging further edits. Click OK. And there you have it. Notice the yellow banner at the top of the document. It says, Marked as Final. This indicates that the document is intended to be the final version. Now, it's important to understand that Mark as Final isn't a foolproof security measure. It doesn't actually prevent someone from editing the document. It's more of a visual cue. If someone wants to edit a document marked as final, they can simply click Edit Anyway in that yellow banner. If you need real protection, like preventing any changes whatsoever, you should consider using password protection or restricting editing permissions. I'll cover those in another video. So that's how you mark a Word document as final. It's a quick and easy way to communicate that your document is ready for distribution. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.